Compressibility factor. Example number 1. Calculate the compressibility factor for carbon dioxide if 1 mole of it occupies 0.4 liter at 300 Kelvin and 40 atmosphere, and comment on the result. What is this particular point? Comment on the result is, if the Z value what we have taken, we'll be taking Z value is PV by nRT. We know the formula. Compressibility factor is given by the formula PV by nRT. If we get a resultant of this value is less than 1, we say the gas is easily compressible. Easily compressible. No, we got the other result, Z greater than 1. It is difficult to compress. Difficult to compress. So Z value equals to 1, then it is ideal gas. Equals to 1, that means it is an ideal gas. So there are 3 conclusions. So the commenting on the result will be based on the value, whether it is ending up equals to 1, less than 1, greater than 1. So let us find out whether what is the value we'll be getting corresponding to the data what we have here. Z is equals to PV by nRT. Given in the question says the pressure is equals to 40 atmosphere. Volume is given to us, which is equals to 0.4 liters, and temperature is given to us 300 Kelvin. R value we can take in terms of pressure is expressed in atmosphere. R will be taken as 0.0821 liter atmosphere Kelvin inverse mole inverse, no doubt. And number of moles is given as 1 mole. This is all the data which is given to us. So what we can do, Z is equals to substituting this 40 into volume is 0.4 by n value 1 into 0.0821 into temperature can be written as 300 over here. I can do a small approximation, 40 into 0.4. R value can be written approximately 1 by 12. In a competitive approach, we can do this 1 by 12. If I do this, you will get nearly 12 by 300. So 1 0 and 0 gets cancelled. This is 100 times and you will get this is 4 times. 4 into 4 into 4, 64 by 100. We'll be getting 0.64. 0.64 is nothing but your value of Z ended with less than 1. That means the gas is easy to compress. Easy to compress when compared to ideal gas. This is the result which we can say. At the same time, the answer should be close to 0.64. So the option which is having the more compressibility, you can see more compressible, more compressible. This says less, so I can eliminate this, and your answer unpredictable is also eliminated. Now in these two, your answer is close to this, so the option A will be your answer. 0.65 and more compressible than ideal gas.